Welcome back to Dream Car Garage, the latest and greatest automotive channel on YouTube, where we're going to be showcasing some of the world's most beautiful vehicles and driving them like we stole them. In this episode, we jump into the iconic LaFerrari. This is the one they decided to name after the company itself, and I understand why, because it's such a beautiful car. It's the first hybrid hypercar that they ever came out with, and it's just a stunning vehicle. It would definitely be in my dream car garage. But as you can tell, I got this one red with the bronze wheels. It's super sexy. I love how the doors go up. But enough about that. Let's jump into this bad boy and see what it do. If you like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button. Let's go ahead and jump into my design of the LaFerrari. As you can see, I went with the gray. I carboned out the rear spoiler and threw the red accent on there. I also threw the red accent on the rear bumper. I carboned out that stripe, as you can see, on the hood. I threw the red and green stripe going from the hood all the way up through the top of the roof. Blacked out the roof. I threw some white accents on the mirrors as well as going down the back end. But enough about that. As you can see, it's beautiful. Let's go ahead, jump into it and see what it do. Thank you for watching the video. I definitely appreciate your time. If you like the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out, and it helps to show my videos to more people on YouTube. It shows them that you guys like my stuff. Now, definitely comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what your dream car is. Let me know what you thought of my design, what you would do different. You never know. Your dream car might just end up in the next video. Thanks again, and have a great day.